Hi boys and girls, so now it is time for us to go over our daily math review and for you to self-assess your work, okay? So make sure you have something ready to help you self-assess your work. Alright, so we're going to start with the first box, and it says to fill in the missing numbers. And what we can do is use the hundreds chart down here to help us. Okay, so we have the whole first row completely missing. So maybe let's move on to maybe this row that might help us. Okay, so we have the numbers 29 and 30 there already. Maybe let's take a look at our hundreds chart to help us. Let's find 29. Okay, so 29 is a 2 and a 9, which is right here. Okay, so one number before, so that means one number less than 29 is 28. So I can put 28 right here. Okay, and we can find out what number goes here on top right here if we move from 28 and we move up 1. If we move up 1, that means it's 10 less. So 10 less than 28 is 18. Alright, so we have 18 there. Okay, now we can continue counting on from 18. So it's 18, 19, 20. Alright, great job. And we have 28, 29, 30. But now over here, we start at 38. So let's count on from 38. And we have 38 right here in a hundreds chart. So it's 38, 39, and then 40. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. Alright, so now it says use the tens frame to represent the equation. The equation says 10 minus 1 equals 9. Okay, so if this is minus, that means it's take away. So I need to take away 1. So let's do that. Take away 1 by crossing out. And then I need to make sure that I have 9 left. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have 9 left. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. Alright, so now it says write an equation to show how many. Okay, so we have some tens and ones. Okay, so let's see. How many tens do I have? Right, I have one long 10, so I have 1. And then how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 ones. Now let's write an equation. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. So now it's time for the mental math, and I'm going to say some math problems, and I want you to try to do it yourself, okay? And this time it's going to be take away, so it's going to be minus, okay? So let's start with number 1. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. Alright, so number 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Alright, did you get that? Give yourself a check. And last, for number 3, 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. Make sure that you self-assess, giving yourself checks if you got the question correct. If you didn't, make sure you can fix it, and then you can give yourself a check. Alright, great job.